He lived among the Eskimos in a wooden hut on the wastes of Greenland. Charcot died with his crew when the ship foundered. Boulder Dam, the biggest generator of electricity on Earth, is ready to go to work. And far away in Washington, President Roosevelt presses the golden key which puts the great undertaking into use. Giant spurts of water burst into the canyon below the dam, driving machinery on its way from the huge lake above, and the power generated will serve 5 states and millions of inhabitants. The figures in the case will mean little to you, but the spectacle itself, from the air and from the surface, conveys the impression of magnitude. You can well believe that it's the biggest power plant in the world. Tragic irony of fate that robbed Britain of one of its leading airmen.